Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 Longhorn Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, looks great. You do have that chrome accented grille up front with your tow hooks just down there on the chrome bumper. Do also have projector style headlights and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our 20-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals and your running boards along the bottom. Coming all the way around to the back here we do have a 5-foot box. We got a chrome bumper with our parking sensors down there and the dual tailpipes. Open this guy up. It does have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up back here. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you do have 2 presses to activate your remote start. Especially nice in the winter. Get it nice and warm for you. You don't have to go outside in the cold. Now it also has proximity keyless entry, so if you have the key on your person, you just got to put your hand in there and it will unlock for you. Now on the door we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Bit of chrome accenting on the handle, nice wood finish, and very comfortable little spot to put your arm. Do have a handle here, some storage, and some more down here. Looks great in here. The brown leather is very comfortable and is heated as well. Feels great. You do also have the controls over your seats, the backward and the forward, as well as the tilt, lumbar support, and the seat memory. And then up here we do have the controls over the lights. So we have our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you press it in, you got your fog lights and your in-cabin light control here. And then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers. Keys are in the cup holder. All you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, our engine temperature, battery life, and oil there. You can see how many kilometers we have as well, which is 55,000, not too bad. You do also have all sorts of different options here, so it does say the temperature outside, it says what channel we're on, our range, all that stuff. You can switch around to your vehicle info as well, your fuel economy, trip A and B. You also have your trailer tow, audio, stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. That is controlled from right here, and as well as your voice recognition and your call out button for your Bluetooth. Horn in the center and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you got a volume up and down button. On the other side you got a channel changer. In the center you do have your 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you got your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM there, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, Bluetooth, aux cord, CD, or through your SD card. You also have your controls over heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, backup camera, mirror dimmer. You got your Uconnect apps. There's all sorts of stuff to look through there. And you also got your climate control right here. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You also have your map here, or your navigation, so you can view your map. You can see we are in the right place. And right over here you do also have your phone options. Down here we have the controls over our gears, so we have just like that. When you are in reverse, you got the backup camera, and you also have 4-wheel auto, lock low, and 2-wheel. And there's our backup camera, keeping us nice and safe. Right down here, we do have volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tuner and browser. Then over here, you do have your AC, circulation, heat up and down, off, auto, power, front and rear defrost. And then down here, we got our trailer tow. We have, our trailer brake. We also have our traction control, tow and haul mode, heated and vented seats, heated steering wheel, and your front and rear park assist, or park sensor, sorry. You got some storage in here, some more in here with a little place to put your phone. You can also close that up and it stays out of the way. Some cup holders here. You also have your armrest that doubles as a storage container. You got some coin holders, as well as a SD card, 2 USB, and an aux cord plug-in. You can close that up. Open this one. Got lots of room in there, as well as your CD player. And then over here we do have our top layer for our glove box and our bottom layer right there as well. And then up top we do have our controls over our sunroof, little window in the back, universal garage door opener, and there's our sunroof letting in lots of light. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you do have that same chrome accenting right here, nice wood finish. You do have that leather handle here, storage, and some more down here. Looks great back here, same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold this down just like this. Then you got an armrest with some cup holders on it. You can also fold this up here, and you do have some storage just underneath there. You can also fold this down just like this, and then you do have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. Does do the same thing on the other side, except there is a subwoofer underneath. And then over here we do have some storage for underneath there. Well, that's it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Ram 1500 Longhorn. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.